The objective of the game is to fill your empty six-pack with mini bottles won by winning competitions throughout the game. To get started, you'll need the game set, a quarter, 3 plastic cups, and a will to win. Set up game board by placing the base under the board. Then the bottle spinner, the coaster, and the cup on top. The card deck has its own spot, and each player's empty six-pack starts on start. Set the house rules and spin the bottle to see who goes first. Roll the die to decide how many spaces they move, and then the next person goes in a clockwise rotation. Make a rule. When a player passes start after the game has started, they can make up a rule that'll last the whole game. Pour in drink cup. When you land on pour in drink cup, pour a bit of the community drink into the drink cup. Be wary, you might end up drinking it. Booze your turn. Landing here means you need to take a sip of your drink. Also, you lose your next turn. High-low. Draw a card from the deck, and the next player in the group guesses if the next card drawn will be higher or lower. If they're correct, keep going around rotation. If incorrect, that player will take a drink of their own beverage. Social. Everyone cheers each other and takes a sip of their own drink. Spin the bottle. Use the built-in spin the bottle to decide who drinks the number of sips on the space. 3-man. Alright, so if you land here, you are 3-man. When a 3 is rolled, 3-man takes a drink, and if 3-man rolls a 3, that person is no longer 3-man. And if someone else lands on a 3-man space while there's a 3-man, that person takes over as 3-man. Steal a bottle. If you land on steal a bottle, you can steal a bottle from any other player. It's really the place to be. King's Cup, Circle of Death, Ring of Fire, it goes by many names, but the rules are the same. Draw a card from the deck and follow the King's Cup rules. Go around the board until everyone plays. You lose, you drink. Drink Cup. Land here, and you drink that cup in the middle of the board. Let's hope it tastes more like a Long Island iced tea than prison wine. Red card, black card. This is a betting man's game. Draw from the deck, and if your card's color matches your space's color, give out a drink. If it doesn't, take it yourself. Drunk tank. Land here, and you move to the drunk tank, and the only way out is to roll a 1. You get 3 chances on each of your turns. If you're still in the drunk tank on your third, you're let out automatically, and you move forward the number of spaces you last rolled. Waterfall. In the game of Waterfall, only the strong will survive. Everyone starts drinking at the same time, and once the person who landed on the waterfall space stops drinking, the next person can stop, and so on. Beer pong and quarters. If you land on a bottle space, spin the bottle to choose your opponent. For beer pong or quarters, the first person to make the ping pong ball or quarter in the drink cup wins the mini bottle. Loser drinks the drink cup, then refills it with a bit of a designated beverage. Beer pong should be played from about 6 feet from center drink cup. Allowing rebuttals or fair-ups is up to the house rules. Flip cup. For flip cup, use the extra plastic cups when competing. First person to win in flip cup wins the mini bottle. Collect 6 mini bottles to win. A few tips to make your game more interesting. House rules rule over everything, so get your own. Choose sips or seconds. Choose amount of cups for flip cup, 1, 2, or 3. Playing as singles or teams. Good luck! Drink-a-Palooza!